Hi, today I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to set rivets using the Scell-it UK low-cost E-005 setting tool. The E-005 is part of the E-00 range of low-cost battery-powered setting tools from Scell-it, all designed to be economical in cost but still as powerful and efficient as most battery-powered tools. Let's have a look at it. First impressions are, it looks and feels as good as any other more expensive power tool. It looks like a nice design. It's got this comfortable soft feel and high grip handle here at the back in blue. The motor is brushless, meaning it's more efficient and generates less heat. And at the front it has the 3 LED lights to light up the work area. It uses the standard element battery that detaches easily and is compatible with all the element range. Charges up in about half an hour. It can set about 400 rivets on one charge depending on the rivet type. So let's see how it sets. I have a standard rivet here that is 4.8 and the E-005 has a quick set system with 4 changeable nose pieces that are stored conveniently in the back of the unit here, so they are kept with the tool and don't get lost. These allow for a rivet setting range of 2.4mm to 4.8mm. I've got a 4.8, so I take the nose piece that is for the 4.8 rivet and fit it easily onto the front here. Just screw it in like that. Now I'm ready to go. I'm going to place the rivet in the nose of the tool there, then I'll place that into the hole, quick squeeze of the trigger, let go, and it breaks off the mandrel and releases it. That's it, quick and easy, and I'm ready to set again. So now I'm going to do a few in a row. Okay, put the first one in, the hole, trigger, set, easy, release the mandrel. I'm going to put the second one in, quick and easy, into the hole, that's set. I'm going to do just one more, again, into the tool, into the hole, that's set. It's so quick and easy. It really is a fast and accurate tool to use. For the price, this is very comparative to a full price battery tool. It sets easily, comes with a carry case, battery and charger, or can be bought as just the tool body ready to use with any element battery already owned. To stock this item, please call Scell-it UK or go to scell-it.co.uk for more information.